Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna guide you through how you can change your password on Nintendo.com account. To change your login password on Nintendo is super easy. First of all, launch open a web browser on your computer or your laptops and in the URL box type in Nintendo.com and search. Once you're inside the home page of Nintendo, logged into your account, go to the top right corner and click on your user ID or your nickname. Now from the expanded menu, scroll down and click Nintendo Account Overview. This will take you to a next page where you can go ahead and manage your account settings. Click the Account Settings button underneath your email at the top, and this will open up the User Information tab. Go to the left-hand corner and click on Sign In and Security Settings, and scroll down and click Edit right next to Password. Soon after you do that, you'll need to go ahead and verify your email first. Click the Submit button and wait for a verification code sent to you via email. Open up your email inbox for the registered email and type down the code that you received. After you do that, click Submit. Now on the next page, enter your new password in the first field. Enter the password you want to change to, re-enter the password once again, and finally click Submit. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your password on Nintendo. Now next time when prompted, you'll need to enter the newly updated password. So that's how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.